In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize boards in Trello. Whether you're managing personal projects, coordinating with a team, or overseeing multiple departments, Trello is an excellent tool to keep your work streamlined. However, as boards accumulate, it can get tricky to maintain order and efficiency. That's why today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to organize your boards in Trello like a pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to group boards, customize their appearance, and optimize your workflow for maximum productivity. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into Trello. Once you're in, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on Boards. This will display all the boards you've created or have access to. From here, we'll begin organizing everything. To create a structure for your boards, click on Create Workspace. A workspace allows you to group related boards together. For example, you might want to group boards based on teams, specific projects, or even departments. When creating a workspace, make sure to assign a clear and meaningful name. Additionally, choose the appropriate visibility setting, whether that's private, workspace visible, or public, depending on your needs. Now that you've set up a workspace, it's time to move your boards into their respective groups. Think about which boards belong together based on their purpose. For instance, boards related to marketing can live in one workspace, while product development boards can go in another. This will make it much easier to locate and manage them later. Once your boards are grouped, it's a good idea to give each one a descriptive title. Open a board and go to Board Settings. From there, click on Rename Board and update the name to something clear and specific. Consider adding a prefix or time frame to the title to make it even easier to identify at a glance. For example, if the board is for the Q4 marketing campaign, you might name it Marketing Q4 Campaign. While you're in board settings, you can also personalize the look and feel of your boards. Click on Change Background to select a color or image that visually distinguishes one board from another. This small step can make a big difference when you're quickly searching for a specific board. If you come across a board you no longer need, here's how to remove it. Open the board, click on Show menu in the right-hand sidebar, then select More and choose Close Board. Keep in mind that closing a board doesn't delete it permanently. If you're absolutely sure you won't need the board again, you can go ahead and permanently delete it after closing. For boards you use frequently, you can make them even easier to access. Simply click the star icon at the top of the board to mark it as starred. Starred boards will appear in the Starred Boards section under the Home tab, giving you quick access whenever you log in. If you're using Trello Premium, you have an additional tool to boost your organization, the Workspace Table View. This feature lets you see all your boards in a spreadsheet-like layout. Use this view to group boards by team, priority, or project status. It's a great way to get a high-level overview of everything you're managing. Finally, don't forget about collaboration. Open any board you want to share, click on Share, and send invites to your teammates or collaborators. This ensures everyone who needs access to the board is looped in and ready to contribute. And there you have it, an organized, efficient Trello setup that's ready to streamline your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.